The Kenya Pipeline Corporation has signed a 43 billion shillings deal for the construction of a new oil pipeline. The deal, signed with Lebanese contractor Zahim, will see a new 20-inch multi-product pipeline from Mombasa to Nairobi. Zahim will have 18 months to complete the project, replacing 41-year-old line. The project will include construction of 4 new mainline pipes in Changamwe, Maungu, Mtito and Sultan Hamoud, and 2 booster pumps in Kipevu. Equity Bank has offloaded its entire 24.7% stake in mortgage lender Housing Finance to Britam. The bank will offload its 57.27 million shares in a deal valued at 2.2 billion shillings, giving the bank a huge payday for its initial 433 million shillings investment. Here's Michael Karanja.
News of the offloading and subsequent buying of Housing Finance shares set off frenzy at the Nairobi Securities Exchange in early morning trade. Housing Finance share closed the day 9.94% higher at 47 shillings, while Britam closed the day at 21.75, 9.3% higher than on Monday. Analysts believe it is a win-win situation for all 3 entities. In a statement to the NSE, Britam says it will be seeking an exemption from making a takeover bid for Housing Finance, despite increasing its stake in the lender to 46.1%. For Britam, this is part of an expansion strategy as the money manager positions itself to make more acquisitions, invest in property development, and increase its footprint outside Kenya.
Britam, they're on an expansion spree. They've just acquired real insurance. They even haven't completed, I think the deal was completed some few weeks back. Now, last year again, they bought a 25% stake in Econ. Right now, in the market, they are trying to source for cash through their planned bond that they'll be bringing into the market. They want to raise around 6 billion, part of which will be used to pay for the equity stake in Housing Finance. So, I mean, they'll still have cash to do other things. So, I mean, it's still subject to discussion what they'll do.
For Equity Bank, the move is viewed as a move to grow its mortgage business and compete with other lenders in the market.
Currently, they have a mortgage book, but it's not that big. So for them exiting from Housing Finance, I think going forward, they want to be in direct competition with them, because our mortgage market it's pretty small, and the kind of real estate projects that you have, there's always the mismatch problem between willingness and the ability.
Britam is in the market seeking to raise 6 billion shillings through a corporate bond whose proceeds will be used to fund the buyout of equity stake in Housing Finance, among other investments. Michael Karanja, KTN Business.